Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, what's up? My name is Lay. If you are new here, I do all things beauty, hygiene, and all things self-care related. So if you are interested in looking good, smelling good, and feeling good, then this is probably the channel for you. So consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Please and thank you. So for today's video, we are going to be doing a book haul. I have been really into reading lately, and I definitely think it's one of those more feel-good type things. So I wanted to show you guys what I got for my birthday, because I did get gift cards and I bought a lot of books. So let's jump right in. Okay, so to help with me mentally, sometimes it makes me feel good to just kind of, how would you say, like kind of take me out of this world and into a whole nother dimension, because I do think that the pressures of society and our reality does tend to weigh on me, at least, you know, for just speaking for myself. Yeah, like I said, I've really been into reading, and for my birthday I got a couple of gift cards, so I did go a little ham. If you watched my birthday haul, the birthday gifts, I did show that I got a couple of books, one being this Addicted to You. This is the Calloway Sisters series. I got the entire series. Well, I got the entire Addicted to You series. They have some spin-offs which I'm also going to purchase, but for right now, for my birthday, this is what I got. So this is the Addicted to You series. This is the first one. I actually just finished this. It took me 3 days to finish, which for me is a record because I never finish books that fast. Yeah, so there's this one, and then I got the, like I said, I have the entire series. So I got all 5 of the books for the Addicted to You series. So I have Addicted to You, and these books are by Christina and Becca Ritchie. The second book is Ricochet, so this is the next one that I have to read because I finished the regular Addicted. The third book is Addicted for Now, so this one is a little thicker than the first two, so I'm very interested to read that one. The fourth one is Thrive. So this is what this looks like. And then the last one for this group is Addicted After All. This isn't the final book in the series, but I do know that it's the last one for like this one, and I think this one is Lily and Lo. Those are the main characters of these books. So I do believe that these 5, if I'm not mistaken, I know the first one is definitely a Lily and Lo perception, POV. So yeah, but oh my god, when I say this book was so good, it was so good. I loved it, absolutely loved it. So yes, my little Addicted series. And then on top of that, I'm kind of like into the series thing because I've never done book series before. I've never done a book series before. So I also grabbed, I think this is The Inheritance Game by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. There's only 2 of the books out right now. I actually have one of the soft, you know, the paperback and the hardback cover. This is The Inheritance Games. And then the second one to it is the Hawthorne Legacy. There's a third one, but I don't think it comes out until August, so I'm going to try to read these before then. These are like fantasy fiction novels, and from the reviews I've seen, I think this is more along like the Hunger Games type things. So if you like that movie, then I think this is up that alley. I don't really know much about it, so I am going to be going into it blind. Let me know if you guys want some book reviews or reading vlogs, because when I say I am so into it, I am down. Like, I'm all about feeling good, and these definitely help me feel good. I also thought that this would be a good idea to read and then let my daughter read it, because this, I think it's like YA, which is young adult. So the next series I got is called the Red Queen series. There's a 5th book, but I don't have that one yet. I only have these first 4, so I'm going to read these first 4, and if I enjoy the series, then I will go and buy the 5th one. So the first book for the Red Queen series is, actually there's 4, because then there's Broken Throne, which is, so I guess this is the 5-book series, so I have to get Broken Throne because I have everything else. So the first book, of course, is Red Queen. The second one is Glass Sword. This is giving me like, what was that show?
Not Game of Thrones. Is it Game of Thrones? It is Game of Thrones.
This is giving me like Game of Thrones vibe. The third book that I have is King's Cage. And the fourth is War Storm. There is a fifth called Broken Throne, but I do not have that one yet. From my understanding, this book is about two different type of people who have red blood and the people who have silver blood. This is another fantasy one, and I've never really read fantasy, so I am curious about this. So there's people with silver blood, they're the ones with like powers and everything, and then people with red blood who do not. But then I guess there's a girl who has red blood and she also has powers. So I guess the people see her as an abomination. So there's like an entire universe here. So I'm excited to get started on that. I probably won't start this till the summer, because like I said, I do want to finish the Addicted series. Like, the way it was set up, it made it so that I cannot wait to the next book. So the next few books I got are definitely not a part of like a series. They're all individual in their own way, and I'm excited to read them this month or whenever. I got this one from Target. This one is The Spanish Love Deception. I was going to order it on Amazon, but it wasn't there. So when I went to Target, I actually got 20% off. I hope I can get this off because I feel like it's taking away from the cover. But yeah, this is Spanish Love Deception. So this is one of the more popular like book talk books. And I think it's like a, you know, the girl doesn't like the guy doesn't like the girl, but then they go on this trip together and they end up liking each other type situation. And that's by Ellen Armez. The next book is called The X Hex, and this is by Erin Sterling. I cannot wait to read this. I love like witches and vampires and like wolves and stuff. So I think this one is about a witch. I'm not really sure 100% about what it's about. But I just saw X Hex, I saw the broom, so I assume it's about witches. And then the last book that I purchased was The Love Hypothesis. This is by Ali Hazelwood. It's a New York bestseller, so this is like one of the more popular books online. It's definitely up at the top 10 of the most purchased books. So apparently it's like they're pretending to date, I think, and then I think they actually do start dating. I'm not 100% sure, but I do know that like one is like a scientist or something. So I can't wait to read this. I think this is going to be more of like a summer read for me, but let's just throw it out there. And those are all the books that I got with my birthday money. So that's my birthday haul. I mean, that's my book haul for now. I really hope you all enjoyed this very quick book haul. Let me know if you guys want more book recommendations or book videos. I do think that it's a big part of self-care and you know, about just feeling good. Reading a book for 6 minutes a day can decrease stress by 68%. So keep that in mind. So even if you read like a chapter a day, I do think that maybe like getting self-help books or fiction books, whatever you like, I do think that it's good for feeling good, so that when you pop on a bomb face, a beat face, you can feel as beautiful as you look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, beauties, stay blessed.